Hi, my name is Alex. I'm the product manager at Wagner for our glass systems. Today I'll be taking you through a step-by-step installation of our new LevelLockPlus shoe. This is the LevelLockPlus shoe. First, measure and trim the shoe to match your site. Mark and drill the anchor holes using the shoe's pre-drilled mounting holes. Use the included alignment tabs to help lay out your shoe and install with the appropriate anchors for your site conditions. Before installing your glass, ensure there are isolator pads positioned in the bottom of the shoe approximately every 12 inches. Next, install the cladding or gasket on the side of the shoe you have less access to. Clip the rocker side of the mechanisms into the grooves on the side of the shoe away from you. Now install your glass panel and slip the second side of the mechanism into the shoe across from the rocker. Tighten the left and right screws to level your glass panel and ensure all the mechanisms are torqued to 120 to 170 inch-pounds. Finally, you can install the cladding or gasket and end caps to complete your installation. Thanks for following our installation of LevelLockPlus. Wagner also offers services from field dimensioning, technical consultation, and railing installation. For more information on our services or product offerings, visit wagnercompanies.com.